So I would say to any nurturer wanting to join SMA, like, it helps you celebrate and activate your softness, because it is a gift. Like, the world may tell you that it's not. The world might have taken advantage of that in the past, but it is its own gift, and it gives you the framework to work out what your boundaries are, because they'll be different to someone else's, and it gives you the room to accept that they may change over time as well. And it's fluid, because certainly my experience of being a nurturer is that, and a Cancer as well, that it is fluid and I need to shift and change. And I can do that if I'm clear on what my boundaries are, but not do it at the mercy of other people how I used to. So it shifted the paradigm, it shifted the balance for me, that I can still nurture people, I can still take care of people, I can still do all of that, but I do it in a way where I know that my cup is filled, and I can over deliver in some containers, but I know exactly where they are, and I also know where the pockets of time are, where the pockets of resource are, for me to be able to fill myself up to do that when it's appropriate and when it's safe. Because that was the one thing for me, was I used to struggle to find safety in my money, in my business, in support, in allowing myself support, in allowing myself to say something was hard or something, wasn't working. So even with the whole over delivery piece, to say to her, once you've over delivered with a client once, then there's the nervousness that actually that becomes the expectation that it's a long session. So being able to flag that, being able to do that, SMA has helped give me the space, and also to recognize the strengths and how we can leverage other people's skills within the team as well. So I tend to like to understand things before I hand them over, but then there's other people that will just do it. I don't need to do that. I don't need to explain everything. I don't need to understand all the details of stuff. Like, there are other people that are okay. Like, a maverick is quite happy to fly with things and make it up on the go, right? So accepting that and not having to take over responsibility for everything, like, you will feel so much relief in letting go of some of the things that have felt heavy. It's a great space to reflect and play with other like-minded people.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.